everybody, I'm starting out this tutorial by showing you the braiding pattern that I used on my sister. So I just left out part of the side and then the perimeter, and this is going to make it look a lot more natural. So this is the hair that I'm using. It is by Coil Kalon and it is the style Saniya in 10-inch. Now we use 2 packs, I believe, of the color 1B and 1 pack of the color TT27. Alright, and all I'm doing right here is showing you the curl pattern and how springy and bouncy this hair is. So going in, I am gonna do the standard crochet braid installation. This hair comes pre-looped, which makes it extremely easy to install, and I think it probably only took me maybe an hour and a half, including styling and cutting the hair, to install this crochet braid set on my sister. So I'm just gonna, as I said, do the standard, find the loop, insert the needle through underneath the cornrow, put the loop through the latch, close it, pull the hair through, and then tie to make sure that the hair is extremely secure and doesn't slide or go anywhere. So just keep watching.
But my music fire, it did drive them crazy. I want me one for me, for my city, for my hood, them know. See my people, them hail me. If they're hating on me, make the carry go. For me radio, every day they play me for me radio. Then they feel me, anytime they see me on the video. They want to see when me chilling for me yard and me sitting on the low key. Shake goes. Man a bad man, they can try this. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw and okay. If you they play my music, if you get my CD, make you hate me when you see me now. They want to know. Tobari me in the street to myself, only make them. They cast the gun. Tobari me in the bed, to my calm down. Original bad man.
It's fake hills.
Standard. Original bad man. And me get this song for them. Lego. Original bad man. His body baby.
It's fake hills.
Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the crew.
Okay, so now I'm just opening the parts which I left out around the perimeter, which I am going to blend to make this installation look really natural.
Never slow down. Them girls, no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Me want my knee. They wanna put me on the display.
So I'm using Got2b glue gel, which now that I'm looking back, I didn't so like because it left some buildup in my sister's hair, but nonetheless this is what I am using. So I'm just smoothing it over her hair, and then I'm going to go in with a brush and smooth that down and blend it into the crochet braids. And of course I placed a scarf on it to make sure that it lays really flat, and to help the hair blend, I'm sorry I didn't include it, but I use bobby pins and hairpins to tuck the hair inside the crochet braids. And let me just say, I'm just going in with scissors to trim some of the fuzz that I created when I was installing this set. And this is the end result. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, and if you have not already, click the red button down below and subscribe to my channel. So until next time, bye bye.